Shurley method, page 31, part 1. So we're going to do exercise 1 today. So hand the keys to the computer room at the east end of the building. So who needs to hand the keys? You. So it's the understood subject pronoun. What is being said about you? Hand. Verb. Hand what? Keys, right? Are keys the same thing as you? No, so they are the direct object. Hand becomes the verb transitive. Whom are you supposed to hand the keys to? Me. Indirect object. Okay? And for indirect object, it's I-O. Okay? When you use the ID, things like that, it needs to be I-O. Okay? The to what? Room. Object of the preposition. What kind of room? The at what? End, right? Okay, object of the preposition. What kind of end? The of what? The pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay, and then once again, we're doing all pattern 3s, right? Because we're still working on those since they're somewhat new. Okay, to the computer room. At the east end of the building. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. You and hand. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's a sense in natural or inverted order. Natural. Oh, yeah, but it should be a command, so it's not declarative, it's imperative, right? Okay, so number 2, you guys are going to do for homework. And like I told you guys, it's subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay, let's do number 3. My parents gave James and John identical birthday presents. Who gave James and John identical birthday presents? Parents. Subject, noun. What is being said about parents? Gave what? Presents. Are presents the same thing as parent? No, so it's the direct object. Gave becomes the verb transitive. Okay, gave the presents to whom? James and John. So those are compound. So compound indirect object. And is a conjunction. Okay, what kind of present? What? Nope, we're working backwards. Or birthday, so adjective. What kind of present? Adjective. Whose parent? Possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay, no prepositional phrases, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's a sense in natural or inverted order. Natural. Amy's grandmother gave her a new umbrella for her trip to Europe. Who gave her a new umbrella to her trip to Europe? Grandmother. Subject, noun. What is being said about grandmother? Gave what? Umbrella. Is umbrella the same thing as grandmother? No, so it's the direct object. Gave becomes the verb transitive. Gave the umbrella to whom? Her. So that's the indirect object. What kind of umbrella? Okay. For what? Whose trip? What kind of adjective? A possessive pronoun adjective, right? Okay. To what? Okay. Whose grandmother? Any, right? Possessive noun adjective. Okay. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, pattern, 3, check. Okay. For her trip to Europe, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this in natural or inverted order? Okay. Then list the object pronouns from the sentences above. There are 2 of them. Sentence 1 and sentence 4. They have to be objects, so they have to have an O with them, right? So me and what? And her. Okay. And then, like I said, number 2 is for homework.